Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and if you're new to search engine optimization or trying to get your pages seen in Google, then this review is for you. It's my SEO showdown between two popular tools, SEO Powersuite and SheerSEO. Both of them I've been using for many years, and one of the reasons why I'm showcasing them today is because there's actually some big sale going on for SEO Powersuite, and then also SheerSEO has a lifetime deal that's available right now. So as you can see here on SEO PowerSuite's website, between May 13th and 15th, they have a lifetime discount. And I've seen this come up every now and then, special occasions, but keep in mind that this is a very special price. And this is something that I want to showcase today and compare it to this, which is SheerSEO, just to show you that I am a customer. I bought it through AppSumo, which I'll be showing you soon. I'm not going to go through a full demo, but I want to give you some of the key points, key differences between them. And so one of the big things that I will tell you upfront is that SheerSEO is a cloud platform, while SEO PowerSuite is not on the cloud fully at this time. I say fully because they do have some cloud-based tools, but right now you could use them on a Win 11 or 10 PC, Mac, OS X, and then also I've used it on a Linux PC before. So I want to let you know that up front that this is like a desktop client software that you have to download and install. And there are a lot of tools within SEO PowerSuite. So let's go ahead and talk about what I put in my blog post here is that, they're two very popular tools and the prices are extremely low at this time compared to their regular prices. So what you'll find is that SEO PowerSuite has everything from looking at on-page to off-page optimization. So you have backlink monitoring, competitive analysis, you have this dashboard, centralized view, keyword rank tracking, you have keyword research tools. This keyword research tool is within the rank tracker tool. You have a link management tool. You have mobile keywords reporting and statistics. And also one of the tools that I've been using is a link building tool. It's more of an outreach tool. So some people can just use, like, let's say an email software tool, or you could use their link assistant tool within it. So let's talk about SheerSEO. You have competitor analysis, keyword density analysis, social media monitoring. You also have the ability to do a lot of other very popular SEO functions. So for example, rank tracking, I'll just compare it. SEO Power Suites is extremely robust, in my opinion. It's one of my favorite tools if I want to do a deep dive. And then SheerSEO, I could say that it's more simple. And with that, it just depends if you're like person that wants to nerd out in SEO or not. SheerSEO has a lot of tools to rank your pages on Google and other search engines. But if you want the power, then it's Power Suite. Keyword research, I can say that just from my usage, I notice a big difference in the amount of keywords that you can get access to. And so SEO Power Suite, the database is bigger from what I've noticed, but then you have to subscribe to their algorithm updates. So that's something that is probably part of this deal that they have today. Because when I got it, they had a package deal where you could buy a bunch of credits for multiple years, and then you can also subscribe to those credits to get those credits. And then you have backlink analysis. I can say that SheerSEO, it's extremely easy to use. I think the overall theme here is that SheerSEO is on the cloud and it's easy to use. But if you want something more robust, SEO Power Suite is good. I can also say that since SheerSEO is on the cloud, a lot of the features that it has, to me, it's faster in my opinion. User interface, I could say that SEO Power Suite, it's very robust. It's user friendly, has a lot of tools. There's actually multiple applications within SEO Power Suite. But if you want something that is very simple, straightforward, but not extremely modern, then SheerSEO is okay. Like for me, I don't really care how modern the interface is as long as it doesn't look like it came from like the 1990s when the internet just started. So what I want to show you here is the cost. So this is if you just get the regular license for SEO Powersuite, $299 per year. SheerSEO is $10 a month, but the price is extremely reduced because they have a big sale for SEO Powersuite. And then you could see this SheerSEO on AppSumo. It's $49 one time only. So to me, this is actually a steal. You pay $49 and then you get a lifetime deal. And you might be wondering what's the difference between the multiple codes here. Let's scroll down just really quick. So it just depends how many domains you want to monitor. So if you have multiple websites, then you could go ahead and get more. So on mine, I'm able to track 4 domains. So that's the 147 plan. So it's up to you. It's up to you how many domains you want to track. And some people will get multiple codes because they want to actually do more things within it. Like let's say you want to have more keyword reports, you want to have more Explorer reports per month. But yeah, I would say for the most part, most people, if they just have one site, then this is good enough to single. But again, if you want to expand, get more. So let's just dive into this SEO Powersuite. You could see that the prices are extremely low, and the price is going to change. And it says 1-day offer, but the price will adjust between the dates I just showed you in the last page, between the 13th and 15th. So very huge price difference. And you could see that you have unlimited projects, unlimited keywords, unlimited backlinks that you could track. So much that both of them offer. And you could see here that this one has a Wario. This is for social media monitoring. And that is for the $44 a month plan. And if you compare this to some of the popular keyword tools like semrush, ahrefs, this is actually extremely low cost. And it does have a lot of power. So you could see the Pro plan versus the Enterprise plan. I just got the Pro plan, but of course you get more with Enterprise. All depends. If you are an agency, I would recommend the Enterprise plan. It's just more simple to use, especially if you want to export reports. It's easier with Enterprise. So that is the big difference. Continuing along here, SEO Powersuite benefits, all-in-one solution, cost-effective, especially compared to the top-tier tools, user-friendly, drawbacks, complex workflows, limited keyword research. Also, I would say that it's slower, and you also have to subscribe to get their algorithm updates. SheerSEO, I think it's very good if you just want something straightforward, and you have limited features compared to SEO Powersuite, and it's less comprehensive compared to SEO Powersuite. So the choice is yours. You know, if you want to go ahead and get something simple and affordable, SheerSEO is a good pick. And then if you want something more robust and something that's more affordable compared to the top tier tools, then SEO Powersuite would be my pick. So everything from on-page SEO, off-page SEO, doing outreach, and then also doing website audits. That's all included within SEO Powersuite. So very huge bundle of tools. And if you want to learn more, I'm going to provide this link to this webpage, this blog post on my YouTube video right under in the description, as well as a link to both of these tools. So that's all for today. My name is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I want to thank you for watching.